Hi guys, we are I Love My Birds and we manufacture the best quality cages for all life. What's the best cage for canaries? Here are some tips for choosing appropriate canary cage. The canary cage is more than a place to keep your bird. It's your canary's home. Just as you need a comfortable room to sleep, a kitchen to eat in, and a good sofa to rest on, your canary also needs a place like this. Which house would you like to live in? This one? Oh my god. Or this one? Haha, this is much better. Which do you prefer? To live in this house or this? One of the things that's important to your canary's well-being is his cage. Most important things to consider when you're selecting a bird cage for a canary is to have room to fly and hop. This is the size of the cage. Ideal size and distance between perches and the sticks. Feeder size. Easy to clean. Multiple doors for internal handling. Lightweight, durability and high quality. For more than 20 years manufacturing cages and following the suggestions of the breeders, we arrived at the ideal cage for canary. Wooden bird cage for a canary. We use number 4. This cage have dual function hanger, 17 inches length, 7.5 width, 17 inches height. The stick material we have 2 options, fiberglass or galvanized steel. This is the distance between the sticks. This is important for the size of the bird. Small birds we use this distance. Spring front door. Aluminum removable tray to clean the cage. This is the best wood of high resistance. Half perch of grooved wood. 2 perches of grooved wood. 1 feeder drawer at the bottom. 1 side lift door. Vinyl sticker. Our store is called I Love My Birds and you can find on eBay or Amazon. On eBay, we are shipping from Brazil to United States, United Kingdom, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Australia, and Canada. On Amazon, we are shipping from Brazil to only to United States at the moment. Thank you. Follow us on the social media at I Love My Bird Store on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe on YouTube. Press the bell to receive notifications. Leave your comments. Follow us on Instagram. And thumbs up on Facebook. This is US Bird Breeding Lovers Group on Facebook. Thank you.